Yes, children. Now I will give a word that is action word. You have to tell me a sentence with the given word. Okay? For example, I tell you the word write. Write. I write a lesson. I write a story. I write a letter like this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. So your word is eat. Tell me a sentence with eat. Come on.
I eat food.
I eat food.
I eat mango.
I eat mango. Very good.
I eat apple.
I eat an apple.
I eat apple.
Right.
I eat banana.
I eat
I eat
a
banana.
banana. Next.
Mango.
I eat a mango.
I eat mango.
I eat chocolate. Very good.
I eat apple.
I eat an apple.
I eat an apple.
I eat a watermelon. I eat a chocolate. I eat watermelon. Good. Very good. Dairy milk. Huh?
Orange.
I eat an orange.
I eat ice cream.
I eat an ice cream.
I eat cake.
I eat cake. I eat a strawberry. I eat watermelon. Banana. Right.
I eat chocolate. I eat strawberry.
Right.
I eat ice cream.
Good.
I eat strawberry.
Right.
I eat cherry.
Okay. Right.
I eat dairy milk.
Dairy milk.
I eat dairy milk.
Dragon fruit. Good.
Eat laddu.
Right. Claps. Clap.